Guys, what's good? I'm back here with another video today. We're going to be using another weapon that I bought. It's not the prototype. I've been at this weapon. We're going to be using the tactical rifle. I bought it off camera, and there's going to be another weapon I bought. I'm going to give you a clue in the video, so stay tuned to the end of the video. We're going to be testing it out. If you guys don't have the Mr. Fruit set, go ahead and get it. Let's get our challenges complete before we start. Okay. Rewards. Let's collect for fun. Now we're gonna go to Ants Life. Ants Life is one of the best weapons that we get to test out. Guys, as you didn't see in the last video, we tested out, I think, the revolver and the Ricochet rifle. Pretty good combo. We're going to be testing out the tactical rifle. I tested out off camera and it was better. Really good. Charge cannon. Assist. Can't even see. Okay. Back. What? Chicken treat. Oh guys, I'll be getting that weapon probably soon. Guys, they're just ganging up on me. I can't even move. But the weapon's really well. I can't even get a good accuracy. They're ganging up on me, waiting to know where I am. Mr. Gun CD should really fix that problem. When you spawn, you should just spawn right away along with killing. Because when you spawn, you have invincibility for a few seconds, like under 1 second. Then they kill you right away under a bat. You can't. Yeah, people swarming everywhere. You don't know what you're doing. It's too hard. God, Jesus. I need to focus. Thank you. What? No, that was my assist. That was my kill. Guys, like if you should steal somebody else's kill. Oh my god. I can't even get a perfect aim. Double jump. These guys are getting on my nerves a lot. We got a guy moving a lot. He's like, God, thank you. Now I can focus. Oh, this is my guy. Oh, guys, if you want to win, like, team fights, the best way to not let them find you if you don't have a name. Like, put like a dot. If you put a dot, they might look at your name. Or something that's small. I'm not leaving. It's just so hard. It's hard. Guys, I'm gonna have to put on something real quick.
Release a new Hyundai Tucson for
Guys, click like what molecule should I use? Give me the best tips. Comment down below. We're gonna switch to another place actually. Why not? Why not? Parkour City. Oh, shout out to all the people who was in that video. Shout out to all the people who was in that video. The game, I mean. That match. Serious argument. Rocket launcher going on. Okay. Serious people. Trick or treat. Guys, think I should buy it? The revolver's a different good weapon. Guys, moving a lot. Like, what? Headshot. That's what I'm talking about. Guys, I highly suggest you go get your this new weapon. They're not new, but the tactical. That weapon's really good as well. The revolver as well. But I'm afraid the revolver is gone. If you guys want to wait, like probably next year, might take a long time. Come on. Guy just dropped. That's what I hate about. They try not to get the kill. Thank God Pistol Gun 3 added the penalty. Because that would have been a good hack. That would have been like a good way to win. You jump off. That's what a kill. Remember, if we don't win, I have to give a shout out to the opposite team. But if we win, and the person with the most kills on my team, I have to give a shout out to. But if they don't win, I don't have to give a shout out. A big shout out. But I'm just gonna give a regular shout out to everybody in the game. Come on. I want to see if people earn the shout outs. Can they earn it? Can they earn it? Shouldn't they kill? Yeah, he's dead. So I had to switch weapons right there. Where he at? No. Where he at? I'm gonna jump right there and surprise all of them. He's a mech. I can't kill him. Wow. Guys, don't quit, guys. Guys, don't quit. Knock up and knock out. Sure, I felt good. Come on. Rocket Jack kill. Okay. Turns out we're losing. The tactical rifle is a really good weapon. Guys, go try it out for yourself. You can earn free gems while doing this. Oh, first match reward. Reward just came up. You can earn free rewards by getting this weapon. It's an easy way. You have to buy 5 weapons. Cheap, any weapons, expensive, any weapon. You have to buy 5 weapons. Then you have to collect the tickets or like exchange something for the weapon. It depends on what kind of brand of weapon and how much it costs. So yeah. If you guys want to see me get an account, leave a like button, and I'll try or comment. If you get like a lot of comments, a lot of likes, and a lot of views, on this video, I will try to get another account. Let's complete that challenge right now. Oh guys, the next weapon, the Rhino. The next weapon is called the Rhino. If you guys saw it probably in my armory, it's a good, decent shotgun, primary. But I'm gonna have to end the video right here. This is how it all works. You have to need 5 guns to get 50 coins, 50 tickets, or patents, I don't know. Pictures, I don't know. But if you guys want me to get another account, but also the Rhino will be coming soon. I probably might get the Trick or Treat, our new weapon, new primary, new heavy. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll do a Battle Royale video as well. But out. Peace out. Oh, also, I'm gonna give you my name. The real GOAT, EMGZ3. I changed my name. If you guys wanna join my clan, join it right here. It's public. If it might be private, probably press the wrong button. I'm gonna unlock it. All of you can join. Peace out.